Hello, my name's Michael Heath and I'm from the Department of Mathematics and Statistics at the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow. So I'm here to introduce you to the SEAwise Marine Ecosystem Model R package and the training material that's available on the SEAwise website. This short video is going to cover the 4 topics shown on the screen: what the model's about, the regions for which implementations are available, what you can do with the model, and how to access it. So let's begin. SEAwise is a process model of nutrient flows through a marine food web, from microbes to whales, including the biogeochemistry of detritus, inorganic nutrients, phytoplankton. Technically, it's a box model presented as a network of coupled ordinary differential equations describing the rate of change in nitrogen mass for food web components due to predator-prey interactions, metabolism, spawning and recruitment, migrations, and non-predation mortality, such as fishing. In the network, everything is connected directly or indirectly to everything else, so disturbances propagate through the network as a trophic cascade. The geographic context of each implementation of the model is defined by the thicknesses and areas of spatial compartments, seabed sediment properties, hydrodynamic and hydrochemical driving data. Fishing is one of the major human activities affecting marine food webs, so SEAwise includes a model of fishing fleets. This translates data on the spatial distribution of fleet activity rates and gear properties into harvesting rates, discarding rates, and seabed disturbance rates in the food web. To get more comprehensive description and documentation on SEAwise, I would recommend reading our paper in Methods in Ecology and Evolution and its supporting online material. There's a growing user group and model implementations in countries around the Atlantic. The build-up of this has been enabled through the EU Horizon project Mission Atlantic. In the SEAwise project, we've focused on models for the North Sea and the Celtic Sea regions. The North Sea model is delivered as part of the R package. Configuration and parameterized for all other implementation can be downloaded from the package website, and how to do this is explained in the training material. So the model runs fast enough, even on a standard issue laptop, to enable probabilistic sampling of parameters for optimization against assemblages of observational data, derivation of posterior distributions of parameter values to enable the estimation of credible intervals of model outputs, and large-scale global sensitivity analyses. However, the main purpose of the model is to enable complex, multidimensional scenario experiments comparing a disturbed state with a baseline. Scenarios can be constructed around combinations of climate projections, fishing, nutrient inputs, seabed disturbance, and lethal or non-lethal factors affecting the physiological parameters of any of the components of the food web. The model is accessible in 2 ways. The first is via an R-Shiny web app at the link shown on the screen here. Users can select a model region from the archive of implementations, visualize model results, build and run scenarios, and compare against baseline runs. The app is an output from Mission Atlantic project, and the model website and GitLab repository can all be accessed through this app. The second way to use the model is by writing R code which utilizes functions from the SEAwise R package. Each function has extensive online help with examples of code, and there is a cheat sheet outlining all the functions at the link on the screen here. We've also provided a training course with a series of examples and exercises covering all the functions of the package. You can access the course from a link on the SEAwise training page here. Well, we've reached the end of this short video, and I'd like to thank you for staying with me and listening. There's much more to learn about SEAwise and the opportunities it offers for exploring the sensitivity of marine ecosystems to climate and human activities using the online app or following the R package training course. If you have any inquiries or questions, don't hesitate to contact us at the email address on the screen here. Thanks very much. Goodbye.